What's poppin' YouTube? What's poppin' up, gang? That yo, we're still celebrating Nick's birthday. I'm celebrating my son's birthday for the entire week. Right now, we're back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another video celebrating Nick's birthday. But as you can see by the time you guys know what's going on. Your boy's gonna pick up Nick's gift. I'm about to get a haircut. I'm looking a little bit disgusting. A lot disgusting. It's gonna be a surprise for him. This is the dinosaur he bought me, put on my wrist. So I leave it on my steering wheel but make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, and without no further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Peace. So I just got a haircut. So now I want to go to the mall to pick up Nick's shoe. Just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the entire video, man. And we want to see Nick's reaction when he get his gift. You feel me? Anyways, it's poppin' YouTube. So we're driving, and I went to pick up a friend. So he has the camera now. So we're less than 20 minutes to get Nick's stuff, and I have to be back to Toronto by a certain time. But yeah, we're there. We're almost there. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go to the mall to get it, but at least we can get this part because I literally have to be going on a road trip to get this. I've been looking for it, and there's only one in my province. There's only one of what I want in my province. You know what I'm saying? And we've been driving for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
We've been driving for a few hours. So we're almost there now. We're almost there.
Bro, you just had a cut, bro.
What?
You just had a cut. Oh, seriously, you had a cut, bro.
Shit, bro, shut up, bro. Just the type of but for real though.
Bro, you just had a cut, bro. It's obvious.
Had a cut. It's what's good. It's in handsome within here. You see, it's what's inside here come outside. But you think I'm glowing like this? Yeah, we came all the way to the mall. All the way to the mall. This is what we came for.
So that's the Juventus. Juventus. They're looking at completely left me.
Grown ass man.
This is what we came for. Nick is gonna love it.
It's just not locked up. It goes here and here. And then you lock the seat. So someone needs to install this, but just to install the property. This one is $2,000.
Take the seat out, whatever.
Yep.
Once you can fit.
No.
bro.
It has drive and reverse, and it has figure bodies. They're all electric. Something that could go wrong with this is just the back. So if like the figures, you don't have to worry about that. Also, if they go wrong with that, you just have to tell them out. Do you guys need better warranties? We do 1 year for service and labor warranty. So with the first year, if anything goes wrong factory-wise, we don't like this time. We don't care. We don't cover wear and tear. Other than that, it's
What do you mean, what do you mean, bro?
I'll send it to you. You like it? What are you?
See? Let's look at it. Let's take a look at it. It took us literally a few hours to get this in, but we did it. We made it happen, and it's in. And now on my seat is now covered, but wait. Let me. It's actually so loud. Let's turn it on. make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe to the video. Make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And you know, watch out for the big reveal when Nix get it. Peace. Guys. You can't see me. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. And big review. See you next video.
Bye.
I gotta escape. Dip off in a race. You come to the crib and get stopped at the gate. I'm getting this cake. I'm not.